Today we are working on the CSS margin. I'll use the opportunity to take you border, how to define border, margin, and also apply background. It's very simple. So the CSS can be defined under the header of the HTML. So let me try to put the head tag. Trying to put the head tag. So to enable me enter define the style, because I want to put it under the head tag. So now I can now come here and write my style tag that will enable me to code the HTML, the CSS style. It is under this style tag that I will put my codes. So whatever I want to do here will be within this tag. Let me use div selector, in which I'm going to reference it in my HTML, where I want to define all the attributes to be added. The property, I need the border property. Then I want to apply the border to be 4 pixels, the thickness of the border to be 4 pixels, solid, and solid, and can be black. That is the border color, black. The border color to be black, semicolon. Then we need the margin. The margin top. So everything will be in pixel, 50 px, semicolon. We need the margin. We want to margin left, margin right, margin bottom, margin bottom, so I want that one also to be 50 pixel. Semicolon, margin right, margin right. We can make that one different. Can make it to be 70 pixels. Then I also need, let's say, margin right, margin left, margin left, margin left. To be 80 pixels. semicolon. Let's add background color also. Background color. Color to be pink, semicolon. Yeah, I've defined my style. What's the attributes in my style being placed under the selector div. So whenever I use div, the attribute will be applied. Let's move to the body or the property. H1, that is how to use margin property, margin properties. How to use margin properties. Properties. How to use margin property. So that's the heading. So let's try to, I want to apply the selector now. The selector using the div tag. So whatever I have in here, whatever I type here will be inside the border. So you can see it in the border. How to use you can see what I've typed in the border. In the border, I'll close this div. Suppose when you have the beginning, I close. So this is how to apply div property. How to use margin properties. Thanks.